So I got my zones marked up, and now I'm just looking for an entry. So it looks like we are respecting this daily, but these candlesticks ain't clean enough for me. So let's go and see what's really good. I really don't do much on the 30-minute. The 30-minute don't do much for me because, as you can see, I can't see what the fuck that's going on. So I do 15 and 5-minute. I prefer to have some cleaner candlesticks closing this. Like this one would be the candlestick that we're looking at to close under, to indicate the sale, about to sell off. But for this one, I would want this to close in one more. Like on the 5-minute, we need 3 to 4. I need more. I just need a little bit more than this. I just need a little bit more than this. Just a little bit, because it's a level right here. It's a level right here. So we get another 2 candlesticks and we good to go. What you do is you do zone to zone, baby. And if you scary, you can wait till you get your go to zone to enter. But I'm gonna enter after I see my candlesticks, because we ain't scary. So if it did my 100-point stop loss, it's a little bit more than 100 points. But we going zone to zone. I'm not fucking with TP2 and 3. If I do see it hit 2P3 though, I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna enter in at this zone, and I'm gonna ride on to the next wave, because that's continuation, baby. But I'll come back. We'll see what the fuck is up. But I need like 2 more candlesticks to close before I feel like this is gonna be a sell-off to the next zone. All right, so real quick, let's go over to Forex Factory and see what's popping off this evening. It'll help indicate what's going to happen in the market. So go ahead and enter. I'm gonna make sure my candlesticks line up, but I'm gonna go ahead and hold that to the next zone, baby. Because we got an orange folder at 9. So tomorrow we do have some red folders. So we just have to be diligent, make sure we're looking. So that's what's popping off for our trade right now. It's the environment that the market is moving in. So I'll come back and see what our candlesticks are doing. That's going to tell us what we're going to do. So I'll be back. All right, so you see why I say we wait for our confirmation on 15-minute. And it is retesting this daily. So I'm going to see what it do, if it's going to break the daily. If so, then I need to remark my chart so that we can get in for our buy. I know where to put my TP and my stop loss. But if not, and it rejects this daily, then I know that this is another confirmation for this sale, and I'm gonna go ahead and get in, and I'm gonna ride that hope. So we're gonna see what it do, okay? We're gonna see what it do. All right, so come on back, because it is a level right here. Right, it's a little level right here that keeps respecting. It's respecting this area. So that's the only reason why it's really making me feel like it's not about to go for no sale. It's about to go for a buy. Because you see it's a level right here, and it's respecting it. So if I see it cross back over this daily, and I get 2 or 3 candles over this daily, because I'm on the 5-minute, so I need 2 to 3, 3 to 4 to make me feel good. I'm not waiting until the golden zone. If I see 2 or 3 close over, we're going to go ahead and get in there, either all the way over or under. But it's not looking good for the sale. We'll see, because I know it's news, but this little level keeps getting respected over and over and over and over and over. And it's going back to retry the daily. And in some instances it gets over, but it just can't do it. So we'll see. Okay, so I just wanted a little bit more confirmation that this box was an area of support, because I couldn't see it. So sometimes you have to change up your view. So the box, I decided to put a line because I need to zoom out a little bit. And I went to the 1 hour, and I still really couldn't see, right? So I'll go back to the line chart, because I'm looking for those touches. We're looking for the touchy. And on my white line, I got all of these back here. So that's letting me know that this is an area of previous resistance support, whichever one you want to we doing for right now, because I don't know if this is about to be a buy or a sell, because it's playing on this daily. Okay, it's just playing, it's tiptoeing, teeter-tottering, it's up and down, up and down. Look, just playing up and down, up and down, up and down on this daily. So I don't know what it's about to do, but all I do know is let that hole close 2 more over this daily, and I'm getting in for a buy. Because if it do buy, it might bounce back off of the trend, this channel. It might bounce off of it. Because I don't know if it's going back in there. Right? If it does decide to buy, it'll probably buy back into its channel. And it's going up. It's going up, baby. Back into the channel. And that would be all the way to the next zone. I'm gonna hold. It is a little area right here, but I would probably go ahead and hold that. So we'll see what it do. But sometimes you just need to go in and, you know, change up your view so that you can see everything. And sometimes that might mean changing your time frame. Sometimes that might mean changing your chart. Right? Whatever you need to see your confluence. But that is an area, and I'm not tripping. Okay, so I changed my chart up a little bit. So I'll show you guys what it looks like on the 1 hour, because I just think that it's gonna go for a buy. I think it's gonna continue to go for a buy. It is playing on this daily for a second, but I think it's just consolidating. And I think it's gonna go for a buy. So you can see I have my my position, my long position for my channel. So I fixed my channel up a little bit, and as soon as it enters back into the channel is when I would get in for my trade. So I might just scoot that over just a wee bit. Right, like that. But let's see what it looks like on the lower time frame. Most of the time I like to do the 15-minute or the 5-minute. So here's the 15. You can see where this level is. I showed you guys the level earlier. And it is respecting this level. So if I have 2 more candlesticks close over, I'll go ahead and get in that buy. And then once it goes back into the channel, I'll probably double down on that position. But let's see the 5-minute. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that. It's damn near perfect. That's damn near perfect. So yeah, that's how I feel about this channel. If it gets back into this channel, we're in there. Like swimwear. Let me show y'all. Yeah, if it gets back into this channel, we in there. I don't care. We in there. You see that little level right there? Right, and then our channel. If it rejects the trend line and goes back, I'm gonna ride that hoe to the next zone. Especially if it goes for continuation and closes my sandwich to this daily. So we'll see what it do. For London, but I think for the rest of Tokyo, I think it's Tokyo. It's either Australia or Tokyo, whichever one that does all of this fucking consolidation. But we'll see what it does, and then London is gonna have something nice for us. It's either gonna be a big old swing to the up because this is a fat ass zone, or it's gonna go back down for and be bare, and this is a fat ass zone too. And it's not a whole lot. Well, let's see. I don't think it's a whole lot of action in between this zone. Yeah, that's like 2 or 3 areas that it might act like it want to reject off of. But that's still a fat gap. So we'll see. I'm going to come back. We'll see. All right, you guys. I think we're about to have our entry because I'm waiting for it to break this level, and I think it's about to. It's only a few more seconds on this candlestick. This one has closed under its wiki. And it tested that. It did. It tried it and it broke through. So we're going to see what the fuck it do on this candlestick right here. I know it's going to close under. But this is the one. This is the one that's going to determine what we're really about to enter or not. If it does break this level, we're good. If it doesn't, if it rejects it and bounces back up to the upside, then we will hold it. Because see what she's doing. So we'll hold it. It's still early in the game. And see. But yeah, like I said, I think we're about to sell off. So this is some nice space that will catch. Even if I don't get in right now, right off of these candlesticks, it'll probably be at 78.6. The golden zone is all the way down here, and this is still a nice little drop, but you know me. You know me, baby. That's what we're gonna do, right? Sure. And hold that zone to zone. So that's a nice little profit right there, even if he was doing a 0.01 lot size. So we'll see what the market gonna do, but I just got a feeling that we're about to get our entry right here on this candlestick. So I got another about 3 minutes. If it's not this candlestick, it might be 2 or 3 candlesticks later. We'll see if it's going to reject this and go back to the upside. If it does, I'll get in for a buy, as long as I have 2 or 3 candlesticks that close above. If it's going to keep playing on this daily, I'm going to close my damn laptop, walk away, and come back during London. Okay? Okay. All right, we went ahead and entered our trade. So we'll see how long we're gonna hold it. I just really got a feeling that it's about to bulldoze through all of this bullshit right here, because at 9:30 we got news, and it's supposed to be orange, so that's medium impact. So we'll see. I think the drop has started. I'm gonna hold unless I see otherwise. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the position that I opened in the app. And when I said that I was going to double down on that hoe, I was not playing. So this is what it looks like when the position is open in the app. I don't know if this is MT4, MT5, but let's get back to the regular scheduled program. All right, so we are back at the charts. As you guys can see, we are in profit. We didn't enter into our golden zone. So really, if you wanted to right here, once it gets back to the level, if you wanted to double down on your position, you could. Now, I doubled down up here. I'm already have 2 positions open, but I think I'm going to open up one more. Once we exit my golden zone, I'll start closing. But we're gonna ride this out. All right. Okay, so back to the app. I'll just show you the profit I've made so far and what it looks like on the MT5 chart, because it is different. So you need to make sure when you're entering, you take that into consideration. But that's the profit. So, boom. Okay, so I don't know if y'all see it, but this is a head and shoulders. See the head forward. We're going to catch this another shoulder down. I don't know how far the shoulder's going to go back down, if it's going to come all the way back down to this previous low. So we're going to stop in the middle of the shoulder and go ahead and set our TP, because I'm going to bed. So we'll see if my alarm set me back, wake me up in London to catch this drop. But I'm pretty sure the head and shoulders is going to come to fruition between tonight and tomorrow. So we'll see. Okay, so I didn't catch the rest of the trade, but just know that the head and shoulders that you're about to see, yeah, it definitely came to fruition, and we made a lot of money. So